Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ram 1500 spare tire. First, locate your vehicle's toolkit, which typically includes a jack, a lug wrench, and an extension rod. Ensure your truck is parked on a flat, stable surface, away from any traffic. For your safety, always engage the parking brake and consider placing wheel chocks or blocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Next, find the access point for the spare tire lowering mechanism, usually located near the rear bumper or inside the tailgate. Insert the extension rod through this access point until it connects with the winch mechanism. Then, attach the lug wrench to the end of the extension rod. Slowly turn the lug wrench counterclockwise to begin lowering the spare tire from underneath your Ram 1500. Keep turning the lug wrench until the spare tire is completely on the ground and there's enough slack in the cable. Once it's resting firmly, reach underneath the truck and locate the retaining plate or cable end that secures the tire. Carefully disconnect this mechanism from the center of the spare tire. With the cable detached, you can now easily slide the spare tire out from under your Ram 1500. After removing the spare tire, place it in a safe spot, perhaps in the truck bed, if you're replacing a flat. If you're simply practicing or performing maintenance, reverse the steps to raise and secure the spare tire back into its original position. Make sure it's snug and won't rattle. Finally, gather all your tools and return them to their designated storage area in your Ram 1500.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.